I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to do 3 problems together just to kind of make sure we're setting them up right. We will start with number 1. Yes? I'm not sure.
It's not great. Yeah, it is. No, look.
It's fine. Let's do number 1. How am I going to set up number 1? Raise your hand, please. Braden? Perfect. Put a 1 underneath the 5 times, and we're going to leave the other fraction the same, 1 over 5. All right? Can this problem simplify? Gabriella?
Yes.
What can I divide by? I can divide 5 by 5 and the other 5 by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then the other 5 divided by 5 is
1.
Okay, can I simplify anything else? It's a bunch of 1s. We can't get smaller than 1. So on top, 1 times 1 is?
1.
And on the bottom, 1 times 1 is? All right, what is 1 divided by 1? Braden? 1. All right. For any other number, if 1's on the bottom, your answer is just whatever is on top. All right, we're going to skip over, and we're going to look at number 4. All right, so I'm going to pick 3 problems that are important in their own way. All right, so on number 4, is there anything on number 4, so I don't need to put anything with a 1 underneath, but is there anything on number 4 that I can simplify? Peyton?
8 and 2.
Number 8 and 2. So Peyton said I can simplify the 8 and the 2, and I'm just rewriting it so I have more space. All right, what number can go into 8 and into 2, Peyton? 2. So I'm going to do 8 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. Dividing them by the same thing. What's 8 divided by 2? 4. And 2 divided by 2? 1. Is 1. So on the top, 7 times 1. And on the bottom, 4 times 3? 12. Can I simplify 12 and 7 anymore? So that is my answer. Okay. All right, we're going to move all the way down to the word problems. I'm going to do one of those with you as well. The one that I want to do there is number 12. All right, so number 12 says, at a local river, there are 48 alligators lying on the riverbank. If 5/6 of the alligators were asleep, how many were not asleep? So let's just focus right here. 5/6 of means to multiply, so that's my times. The alligators, how many alligators were there?
48.
It says 48 alligators. Do y'all see that? So this would be 48. Y'all see where I'm getting that? So my problem is going to say 5/6 times 48. All right, look very carefully. Do y'all see where I'm getting those numbers? Okay, so 5/6 times, how am I going to write 48?
48.
Over 1. Okay. Can I simplify this? Hey. Six. Okay. Okay, so 6 and 48. What can divide those? What number is he? Yeah. So 6 can go into 6. So I'm going to divide by 6. And 6 can go into 48. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Okay, do y'all see anything else that'll simplify here? No. So on the top, 5 times 8 is 40. On the bottom, 1 times 1 is 1. All right, now what is that talking about? 40 what? What is that 40 talking about? It says 5/6 of the alligators were asleep. So these are the alligators that were asleep. So guys, this 40 is talking about the ones that are asleep. What does my question ask me though? How many were not asleep? So how am I going to figure out the ones that are not asleep? Mary Webb? Frank? Yeah, so if I know 40 are asleep and there are 48 total alligators, I need to figure out what the difference is. How many does it take to get up to 48? Or, what operation is that? Subtracting. I'm doing 48 minus the sleeping alligators. How many are left? 8. So this 8 are the alligators. 8 alligators. Make sure I spell it right. Alligators were asleep.
No, not as
Were not asleep. Alright, that was the only one on your homework that's kind of funky like that. The rest of them are straightforward, but I want us to look at that one because it wasn't just finding 40 and answering it. We had to actually read the question. Do y'all see how we got that out of the question? The other ones are straightforward. You multiply them, figure out your answer. Make sure you find out where the of is so you know why you're multiplying.